We are here today in Fullerton. We have a project in Nee Soon GRC to help children from less advantaged homes. We work with River Kids. They get a tablet and they use that for learning, particularly during this period.
My daughter looks forward to this program and she has shows a lot of improvement in her studies.
We are delighted to support the growth and development of the children through these mentoring workshops.
I like these programs because he also gets to explore different activities at Fullerton Hotel.
Thank you to the Fullerton Hotel.